Hi guys, it's Miss Carosa. I'm going to show you exactly how, if you are using a PC or a computer, not a phone, to narrate your assignment. Okay? So, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your stuff is all kind of set up. So I set up in my Google Drive. I put this in a new tab. And I'm going to click on my PowerPoint. Right here. And make sure it's kind of ready to go. All right. Then what I want you to do is whenever you're ready, you are going to hit the screen recorder. Okay, so you should have this kind of all set up. This is just a link, a bookmark. It just makes it easier for me. I'm going to click on this. You're going to click Start Recording for free. You're going to hit Launch Free Recorder, and it's going to download something, and then you're going to click on what it downloads. Okay? For mine, because I've been doing this for a while, it automatically launches, but I have to go back to this link every time. Okay? So what's going to happen is you're going to be able to capture your screen. You can capture the webcam too if you want, or you can capture both. Okay? So anything that you record is going to pop up in a little box, and you can adjust the box. Okay? You can't see the box because I'm recording. Okay? And it's going to click. There's going to be a little button down here, and it's red. It's a circle on it says record. Okay? So as soon as you click that, everything is recorded, and it'll count you down like 3, 2, 1. Okay? So you're gonna record it, and then when you're done, it's gonna have like a box that looks like this, and you're gonna be able to like edit the title and where it goes. And there's also efforts. It's gonna prompt you with a box that says upload to YouTube, and that has been working a little bit better. And as soon as it uploads to YouTube, you copy that link and you can stick it on Classroom under the actual assignment. Okay, so that is what you're going to do. You're going to click over after you kind of are starting to actually record. You're going to go back to your PowerPoint. You're going to click Present. You're going to walk me through your PowerPoint. Hi, I'm Darius Vincent Rayshaw Ritchie, and welcome to the blankety blank file. You're going to hit your arrow keys. You can talk about it. It doesn't have to be super detailed. Okay, you're not really writing or reading off a script. You're just going to tell me what to wear. You can mention the pictures, the things to do. You could definitely walk me through the water cycle. That would be great because it's a chart and it might need some explanation. You can tell me where that water goes, or whichever cycle you're using. The air pollution, and don't forget the 3 things that you are going to do to help with pollution. Okay, so you're going to end there, and then you're going to click the pause button. And when you click the pause button, it's going to have those upload options. Okay, so this is only if you're using a computer. The phone process is going to be a little bit different. Okay, if you have questions, please go ahead and do the regular class time at 9:30. All right, guys, see you later.